You're meticulously eating healthier, carefully selecting each ingredient and preparing balanced meals. You're exercising regularly, pushing yourself at the gym, hitting the pavement for runs, and diligently sticking to your workout routine. You're committed to making it a consistent part of your life. And you're following all the advice, scouring articles, consulting fitness apps, and devouring health books, trying to absorb every piece of information that might give you an edge. Yet, despite all your efforts, that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. It clings on, defying your dedication and hard work. You look in the mirror, scrutinizing your reflection, focusing intently on your midsection, and you wonder, with a growing sense of frustration, why your hard work isn't paying off. You're putting in the time and effort, but the results simply aren't there. It's frustrating and isolating, leaving you feeling defeated and alone in your struggle, making you question if you're doing something fundamentally wrong, if there's a hidden flaw in your approach. Many people over 30, in the prime of their lives, feel stuck in this disheartening cycle of intense effort followed by crushing disappointment. They're working hard, but the scale just won't budge. The truth? It's not simply about willpower or discipline. It's not a matter of just trying harder. The old, outdated idea that belly fat is solely about calories in versus calories out, meticulously tracking every morsel, is far too simplistic and doesn't account for the intricate processes at play within your body. Our bodies are regulated by complex systems, a delicate interplay of hormones, enzymes, and metabolic pathways. Working tirelessly behind the scenes, these systems influence how we store and burn fat. If you're doing everything right, eating well, exercising, and getting enough sleep, and still not seeing the results you expect, it's a clear sign to look deeper, to investigate the underlying factors that might be hindering your progress. The real issue, the key to unlocking your body's potential, may be something that most people completely overlook. Let's uncover what's really going on beneath the surface, and finally understand why your body is holding on to that stubborn belly fat. For years we've been conditioned to believe that weight management is a simple equation. We've been taught to treat our bodies like calculators, inputting calories and expecting a predictable output. The fitness industry often portrays our bodies as machines, easily manipulated by numbers. Eat less, move more, lose weight. This mantra has been drilled into our heads, promising a straightforward path to weight loss. But what if I told you that this approach is fundamentally flawed? What if the key to unlocking your body's potential lies not in strict calorie counting, but in something far more intricate? But your body is more like a finely tuned orchestra, a complex system where every instrument plays a crucial role. It's not just about the quantity of fuel you provide, but the quality and the way your body orchestrates its resources. And hormones are the conductors. They dictate the rhythm and flow of your metabolism, influencing everything from your energy levels to your ability to burn fat. These chemical messengers are constantly communicating, ensuring that all bodily functions are working in harmony. Hormones decide how your body uses, stores, or burns energy. They are the master regulators of your metabolism, influencing how your body processes nutrients and utilizes energy reserves. They determine whether you're in fat-burning mode or fat-storing mode. Calories are just one dial, a single variable in a complex equation. Focusing solely on calories is like trying to conduct an orchestra with only one instrument. Hormones are the master switches. They control a multitude of processes that impact your weight, energy, and overall health. They are the key to unlocking your body's full potential. When hormones are balanced, when they're working in synergy, you feel energetic, and your metabolism works efficiently. Your body becomes a well-oiled machine, effortlessly burning fat and maintaining a healthy weight. But if they're out of sync, if even one hormone is imbalanced, your body can store more fat, especially around your belly, that stubborn area that seems resistant to diet and exercise. No matter how well you eat or exercise, you might be meticulously tracking calories and hitting the gym regularly, but still struggling to see results. Two people can eat the same meal, identical portions and ingredients, and have completely different results because of their hormones. One person might effortlessly maintain a healthy weight, while the other struggles with weight gain and bloating. The real culprit behind stubborn belly fat, the kind that clings on despite your best efforts, is often a hormonal imbalance, a disruption in the delicate symphony of your endocrine system, not a missed workout or a slice of cake. It's not about depriving yourself or punishing your body, it's about understanding the underlying hormonal factors that are influencing your weight. The quality and timing of food, the nutrients you consume, and when you consume them, and your internal environment, the state of your gut health, inflammation levels, and stress response matter as much as calories. It's time to shift focus from just what you eat, from obsessing over numbers and restrictions to why your body reacts the way it does. Understanding your hormonal landscape is the key to unlocking sustainable weight loss and optimal health. And the most overlooked hormone, the one that silently sabotages your efforts, the one triggered by chronic stress, cortisol. This hormone plays a significant role in weight management and overall well-being, and it's often the missing piece of the puzzle. Cortisol, known as the stress hormone, is your body's built-in alarm system. It evolved to help us survive immediate dangers, like running from predators. When triggered, cortisol floods your body with energy for quick action. But today, our bodies can't tell the difference between real danger and daily stress, traffic, deadlines, or emails. Modern life keeps our internal alarm system on high alert day after day. This constant drip of cortisol is not what our bodies were designed for. Instead of short bursts, we're exposed to chronic stress. The result? Our systems are overloaded, and the effects show up in our waistlines. Chronic cortisol is a modern problem with ancient roots. Let's see how it sabotages your efforts. High cortisol creates a perfect storm for belly fat. First, it ramps up cravings for sugary, fatty foods. Your brain thinks you need quick energy. Second, cortisol tells your body to store fat specifically in your abdomen, where fat cells are most sensitive to it. Third, it breaks down muscle for energy, slowing your metabolism. Less muscle means fewer calories burned even at rest. This cycle makes it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it, no matter how healthy your habits. You crave more, store more, and burn less. That's why diet and exercise alone often don't work against stubborn belly fat. You're not just fighting calories, you're fighting a powerful hormonal signal. To win, you need to address the root cause: chronic stress. Feeling stuck, like you've tried everything and nothing seems to work? This isn't a reason to give up, it's your opportunity for real change. It's a chance to step off the well-worn path and forge a new one, a path that leads to lasting wellness and a healthier you. See this moment not as a defeat, but as a powerful turning point. The key to unlocking this change lies in understanding that stress and hormones are the real culprits behind your struggles. It's about recognizing the intricate dance between your body's chemistry and your overall well-being. And understanding this is empowering. It shifts the focus from self-blame to informed action. It gives you the power to take control of your health journey and make choices that truly support your body's needs. You can stop blaming yourself for perceived failures or lack of willpower. Release the guilt and self-criticism that have been holding you back. Instead, start working with your body, not against it. Listen to its signals, honor its needs, and cultivate a relationship of trust and respect. Embrace gentle self-care practices that nourish you from the inside out. The answer isn't stricter diets or harder workouts. These approaches often backfire, creating more stress and imbalance in the long run. In fact, pushing harder can make things worse, leading to exhaustion, burnout, and a host of other negative consequences. All that extra effort can backfire by raising cortisol even more, perpetuating the cycle of stress and imbalance. The real solution? It's not about deprivation or punishment. It's about finding a sustainable path to wellness that supports your body's natural functions. The key is to lower your stress and support your body's natural balance. Prioritize relaxation, mindfulness, and activities that bring you joy and peace. Simple, restorative habits, consistently practiced, can reset your hormones and metabolism, paving the way for lasting change. By calming your nervous system, you're sending a signal of safety and security to your body. And when your body feels safe, you allow it to burn fat more efficiently, without the added stress of restrictive diets or excessive exercise. Remember, you're not broken. Your body is just responding to its environment. It's doing its best to adapt to the stressors it faces. Change the environment, create a more supportive and nurturing space, and you change the results. You create the conditions for your body to thrive. Here are 3 practical steps to lower cortisol, reduce stress, and begin to reclaim your well-being. Implement these strategies consistently, and you'll finally see the progress you deserve. Progress that's sustainable and rooted in genuine self-care. Step 1. Start your day with a gentle 10-minute walk outside. This isn't about burning calories, it's about resetting your cortisol rhythm. Morning light and movement help your body establish a healthy cortisol peak early, so it can decline naturally through the day. Many people with chronic stress have cortisol spikes at the wrong times. This simple walk helps fix that. Instead of checking your phone first thing, give yourself a moment of calm. Notice the air, the light, the sounds. Make it a mindful stroll. This small ritual builds resilience against daily stress. It sets a foundation of calm for the rest of your day. Just 10 minutes can make a big difference in lowering stress and supporting fat loss. Food still matters, but focus on adding, not restricting. Add foods rich in magnesium and vitamin C, two nutrients that help regulate cortisol and calm your nervous system. Magnesium-rich foods: spinach, nuts, seeds, avocados, dark chocolate. Vitamin C-rich foods: citrus fruits, bell peppers, kiwi, strawberries, broccoli. Try to include at least one of each every day. These nutrients help your body recover from stress and support healthy hormone balance. Nourish your body to build resilience from the inside out. The final step is a simple breathing technique, the 3-4-5 breath. Breathe in through your nose for 3 seconds, hold for 4, exhale slowly for 5. This longer exhale calms your nervous system and lowers cortisol fast. Use it anytime you feel stress rising, at your desk, in traffic, or before a meeting. Just a minute or two can shift you from high alert to deep calm. Practice regularly to make it even more effective. Combine the morning walk, stress-soothing foods, and 3-4-5 breath for a powerful toolkit. The answer isn't more restriction, it's restoring balance. And also, don't forget to subscribe for more. Start today, walk, nourish, breathe. Share this with others, and let's change the conversation about health together.